recently reading a book by Adam Grant, Hidden Potential, which I actually recommend to all the parents, all the mentors, all the teachers there. This book cites a very interesting study which was done by Raj Shetty, a very famous economist, way back in 1980s. What they did, they started tracking some lower income students who through a government program were distributed across different classrooms from kindergarten till grade 3, and they tracked these students till 25 years of age to see, what were those parameters, what were those things which actually led to their success when they grow up. What was most amazing was the correlation between the effectiveness and the experience of a kindergarten teacher in the child, the person actually earning high when they grow up to become 25-year-olds. The correlation was tremendous, right? So more effective and experienced the kindergarten teacher was, the higher the earning of the young person. So what changed? What difference did these, so-called experienced and effective teachers bring to the table? You know what? They did another study. They went deep, and they started, by the time the children reached grade 4, they got them sort of subjectively rated by the teachers in the grade 4 and grade 5. They realized that all the students who were taught by experienced and effective kindergarten teachers, they rated high on 4 behavior traits. You know what those 4 behavior traits were? They were more proactive. It means they were taking more initiative in asking questions. They were volunteering to answering questions. They were actually, engaging with the teachers outside the classroom as well. They became more pro-social. Matlab, they were collaborating more with their peers. They were more happy in, playing and engaging with their peer group. They became more disciplined. It means that, they were effectively curbing their instinct of getting distracted in the classroom, right? So their ability to control themselves, their instincts, certain bursts of instincts were much more powerful, and they were much more determined in terms of going beyond what they were doing. But more than that, their behavior, when they see adversities or obstacles, they persisted. That was very, very important. So these behavior traits, proactive, pro-social, disciplined, and determined, these factors, many studies tell us that these factors are 2.4 times more effective in making you successful than your math and reading scores, right? So when we understand this, we as teachers know that, what we need to do with these skills. Yeah, ठीक है, maths और reading और ये सब हम पढ़ा लेंगे बच्चों को, but you know what? In the process, we need to train their brains to evolve in these behavior traits.